Hello friends, in this video we will be reviewing the Orient Black Swan Atlas, that is for competitive examinations. Okay, this is basically mostly useful for the UPSC civil service preparation. So I will be explaining how this particular atlas can be used, as well as what is the important features in this thing actually. Okay, so including there is a CD-ROM also provided, so you can see like different atlas related thing on that thing. So the major contents will be India will be there, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, the different world maps. So these are the important thing which is useful for UPSC preparation as well as any competitive examination. And UPSC we know that around 4 to 5 questions is asked from the map based questions. Okay, so the importance is very higher. So for UPSC perspective, there are two maps. One is a political map, so it is very important. So whenever you study a newspaper or whatever important events happen, you can check and analyze where exactly these things are coming from. Okay, other thing is the physical map of India, like mountain ranges, rivers, and all those like physical structures. You can understand easily with this thing, and it is very like detailedly they have explained in most of the UPSC Civil Service Coaching Institute in Delhi. Suggest this Orient Black Swan Atlas. Okay, this link for this particular atlas is provided in the video description. You can purchase from there if you want. Okay, the most important thing is the physical and the political map of India. Okay, and there are different like state-wise stuff is given, and also the important things in each state also that given. So that way the presentation is really good. Okay, and the color is also like smooth for the eyes, and there are some natural hazards like earthquake area and all those stuff is there, and the important wildlife sanctuaries, all that thing related to India you will get it. Okay, so that is very useful, what I can say for that. See, this is for the forest and wildlife, so you know that environment there will be questions directly asked from this here, so which state it locates and all, so that is also really good. And then it comes to the world map. Okay, so we have to go to, I'll explain. Okay, this is Europe political thing 75. Yeah, so here you will get the world map actually. Okay, so important like routes, different oceans, and which suppose some seas are the Caspian Sea, Red Sea, the neighboring countries, and all that kind of questions usually asked, and which are the SAARC countries, ASEAN countries. So this kind of thing always, whichever things happens in the news, you can easily refer this thing. So every time it is should be with you. Even if you are preparing for international relations, this is useful. Preparing for geography, it's useful. Preparing for environment, that is useful. And different political aspects and international events happening in the world. So this is very useful atlas, I can say. And the clarity of things mentioned is really good. Easily you can verify this particular thing, and you know, if you getting 4 to 5 questions from this particular simple thing, so this will be a very useful thing, I can say, and very like authentic map also. And one more thing I want to tell you about that, there is some wall charts you can paste on your wall, like big map of India, world, and all. That link I have provided in the video description. That is very useful. So whenever you get like leisure time, you can go and stand in front of that particular thing and analyze different locations 10 minutes per day, so you will be master in maps within 3 to 4 months. Okay, so along with that, there is one more important book. If you buy, that will be very useful. That is the 25 years UPSC prelims solved question paper. The link is in the video description. So what is the use of this book? If you go to the geography map based question, you can see what are the type of questions UPSC is asking continuously, and according to that you can study this map. You must know how the questions are asked actually. So if you are just studying this, there is no like use. You have to see what kind of questions they are asking and how they are asking. For that, this subject wise question bank is there, like whatever UPSC 1995 to 2019, whatever questions asked, they have given in subject wise manner. So it is very useful for you to understand and study. It covers CSAT also. Okay, so this is all about Orient Black Swan Atlas for competitive exams for UPSC, civil services, and other competitive examinations. Very useful book, very compact and easy to read and understand all this stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.